Ooh, I'm so excited. I have got Amazon, I've got Netflix, I've got Walmart and Starbucks. Oh, I'm so excited. What are you so excited about? What's going on? Well, nothing. What's going on? I have a whole bunch of gift cards. Why do you have those? Well, because they're for a friend of mine. What friend? He's a guy that I met online, okay? I met him at Facebook. He's really, really sweet, and he needs some money. He needs some money for what? Well, I'm not going to tell you why. Why not? Because he told me not to tell anybody. And you're somebody, so no, I'm not going to tell you. Tell me. All right. Well, he's really, really sweet. And he came across my feed and he told me how pretty I was. And he told me that I had the nicest smile. I was so excited. And then we talked for, I don't know, hours. And he's just real sweet. Where does he live? He's overseas, okay? He's just over there on a contract. He's working for a big, important company. And he wants to come home and we're going to get married. You're going to what? We're going to get married, okay? Uh-huh. How long you known this guy? Well, altogether, I don't know, 4 weeks? 4 weeks? 4 weeks? And you're going to get married? Well, when you say it like that, it sounds terrible. But yeah, we're in love. Mm-hmm. What's your name? Joe Smith. You're seeing a guy named Joe Smith, and he's overseas, and he wants a bunch of money. You see anything wrong with this? Well, no. People can't pick out their name. You get it at birth. So, his mom and dad like the name Joe, and I'm fine with that, okay? What about the money he needs? Well, okay, he needed these gift cards, and then he needed some other money, Western Union, and I did send him some Bitcoins, but they're all for very, very good reasons. You need to stop being so freaking suspicious of everything. Just leave me alone. Leave you alone. Leave you alone to what? Have your bank account emptied out? No. Leave me alone to live happily ever after. I deserve it. Yeah, you do. But not from this guy. He's a scammer. No, he's not a scammer. That's a horrible thing to say about somebody. He's a scammer. Listen to me. He doesn't want for you to tell anybody. Well, yeah, because you got a big mouth and you're going to talk me out of it. And he doesn't want for you to stop sending money because he's always got an excuse. Well, yeah. I mean, he has financial needs. Is he rich? Well, yeah, he's well off. Why doesn't he use his own money? Because he can't get a hold of it. It's, I don't know, he did lose his wallet, and now his bank account's closed. He can't help this stuff. Yeah. So he's going to come home and y'all going to get married? Well, yeah, we're going to get married. What's the date? July 29th. July 29th. Put that in your calendar. Why? I mean, I already have the date in my calendar, but why are you getting all snotty about it? Because July 29th is the date that he's going to be finished robbing you. Robbing me? No, that's not even possible. Oh, no. You don't know him. He's sweet and wonderful, and he adores me. We talk on the phone for hours. Oh, it's so nice. Oh, so nice to finally have someone who can appreciate me. Someone that I can love, and he adores me. And he adores you after 4 weeks? Well, yeah. I'm very adorable, Yeah, well, you kind of are, but nobody loves you that much in 4 weeks, girl. You're a hard sell, okay? Shut up. Shut up. Then I guess I wouldn't have anybody to talk to now, would I? I can't have that. Well, except for him. Yeah, I can talk to him. I could talk to him forever once we're married. Woo! Yeah, that ain't gonna happen. Stop being such a downer, Debbie. Stop it. I finally found someone. You just wish you had too. This guy's wonderful. Yeah, well, I don't wish I found a scammer. Why do you keep calling him that? Because he tells you lies. He tells you lies all the time. You told me a little bit about this guy last week, and all I could see were lies coming out of your mouth about him. When you open your mouth and talk, I hear his voice coming out. It's not yours. No, it's nobody with common sense. It's somebody who's been hoodwinked. You know? You're better than that. Oh, I might be better than that, but I'm still in love. And it still feels good. Well, it's a fake. There you go again. A fake. It's not a fake. Has he sent you a picture of him? Yes, he did. He's so cute. I just love him. Uh-huh. Let me see that picture. All right, here. Here's his picture. Isn't he cute? That's a fake picture. What do you mean it's a fake picture? I can spot an AI picture a mile away, and that thing is AI. No, no. Yes, it is. Oh, come on, you're going to spoil this for me. I'm just telling you, he's a scammer. He's lying to you, and he's sending you fake pictures. What do you think he is? An altar boy? Well, no. He might be a little confused. He's confused, and he's asking for all that money. How much money have you sent him so far? Don't send him any money. You need to cut this off. This is a scam, and in your heart, you know it. No, in my heart, I know I want to be in love. You know it's a scam. Don't answer your phone anymore. We're going to change your phone number, and you're not going to correspond with this guy anymore. Promise? Okay. Taking all the fun out of it. Promise? All right. I promise. You know, if I ever find somebody else again, I don't care if it's a scammer or not, I'm not telling you. Because you just see through everything, and then you want to show me how I'm screwing it up, and I've got some horrible person on my line. Well, I want to reel him in and have some fun with him. Stop telling me the truth. Stop that. Just let me have some fun. All right. I'll get a new phone number. I'll block the guy, whatever. But if I ever get another one, you're the last one to know, girl. All right, fine. Let's make sure you do that, because I'm going to follow you around till you get that done. All right. Stop it. Fine. I'll do it. I'll do it today. I'll do it right now. Leave me alone. All right. I only love you, sissy. Whatever.